It's your girl K-Walks and I'm back with another video. I really don't like hearing my voice, but I'm going to show you guys how to make some lip gloss today. Alright, let's get right into it. Add the Versagel to the bowl. Squeeze it all out. You know, don't play with it. Don't be scared of it. Squeeze it. Get it all out. Now add your essential oils and your carrier oils. You know, you got to add those. You're going to mix it all up. Keep mixing it. You got to have a strong arm for this. So if you ain't lifting, you can't do it. Alright, add that lip gloss pigment. Really nice color. Swirl it all up. Look like a cinnamon roll. Yes, hunty. Champagne life. Then you're going to add it to the syringe. Get it all in there. Make sure you mix it all up really good. Alright, cut the pipette ends off, because you're going to attach that to the syringe, you see? Alright, show it off. Yes, hunty, yes. Alright, so fill your syringe. Ooh, not your syringe, your lip gloss tube up. Fill it all the way to the top. Don't overspill it. There you go. Boom, I overspilled it. It's okay though, because we're going to clean it up. Alright, now add that top to it. And then add the big top to it. The two tops, the squeeze top and the big top. That's what I call it. And then you're going to show it off again. You're going to put it in the bowl with some detergent. You're going to mix it all around. Make sure it's all sterilized. Then you're going to put it on your hand and show it off to the whole entire world. Yes, hunty, champagne life.